you never try sushi, you could start from the California roll.
It can work. So this is only 3 ways. Start. 1, 2, and 3. Right? Raise the sides. Put some flavor like sesame.
Right, it's already raw. Now let's cut it.
Always start from the center of the sushi. Use the sharpness blade of the knife.
Follow the sharpness of the knife.
Just only one direction, not like this. 1.
So keep cutting in the middle, so we're going to get 8 slices. So in a Norwegian food line, we serve in one row, we cut into 8 slices.
Okay, this is forward.
Now, simple plating.
Yep. And go to the plate.
Then simply wasabi. When you enjoy the sushi, don't forget ginger wasabi. The ginger is like to clean your taste bud for the next bite. And then wasabi is the best antioxidant. You can mix with the soy sauce, but slowly, but it's really hot. And then you get sushi roll or the sashimi especially. Alright, California roll. It's a very famous roll in the year 60s. It was like Japanese. So my friend realized if you read the story about California, and this was becoming very famous. Anyway, California roll.
Right, next one is spicy tuna. Right, same thing, 90 grams of rice. Spread the rice. So you spread the rice all over. Make sure it's nicely flat. And then put the rice upside down. Sesame.
Once you do it, it's easy, but it takes some getting used to it.
Flip over and canned tuna mix. Now, start rolling again.
Okay, what's
1,
slowly?
2,
So keep rolling, it's really close.
rolling,
Alright, it's already rolled.
right. Cut again in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And open the plate. So the wasabi
Ginger wasabi.
and the ginger. So this is
Alright,
rice. This is rice.
spicy tuna roll. Now, what is the next step?
The next one is a tilapia roll. For this time, in mackerel, we're going to use the rampna. This is the honey roll. So
now, tomato roll.
25 grams of rice. Let's get one piece of nori. Put the rice. Put some little bit rice in the edge of the nori. Cucumber. You can add some cucumber. And the champon. Right?
Slowly. Now it's like rolling like cold shape.
Rolling like the ice cream.
Slowly, sir.
Yep. Like this.
Keep rolling
Like I can
and
do that.
Then
I never see it.
and with some sesame.
you put some sauce or anything you like in
Yeah,
the
you
end.
can make this one without using chopstick. So you can hold directly from the tumaki. Alright, this is tumaki, spicy
Alright.
tumaki. And another one is the
And then tamaki you have to eat straight away because otherwise it will be soggy.
yeah.
It's not crunchy anymore.
You can replace this one with the wasabi.
Alright, one more time.
Alright, one more time for the California roll. California tumaki. Avocado and then cucumber. Crab mix. Right?
Alright, slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah. Begin one line here and then roll it slowly.
Again. Sesame. So this is the California tumaki and the spicy tumaki.
Yes,
So
you
you
do
can
wasabi.
and the wasabi. So this is the two kinds of
Alright, tamaki.
So next,
What is the next one?
the next is the
Sashimi or
Sashimi.
nigiri? Sashimi. Sashimi is like slices of fish. So I'll show you how we cut the fish in a Japanese style in the sushi.
So when you cut the fish, it's against the fiber, not along the fiber. Because when you cut along the fiber, it may ruin the fish. So let's start about 20 grams of slice of tuna.
So again, follow the sharpness of the knife. So in sushi bar, one order of sashimi, you get 3 slices.
And please also the salmon. Always against the fiber. Okay. Then
That makes everything pretty.
you can make also crab stick sashimi. And wasabi. and the children. So, here is the crab mixed sashimi. Now,
What is next?
the next one is nigiri. Nigiri is handmade sushi. So I will invite 2 person, please.
Okay, 2 person volunteer. Anyone interested? Alright, please. One more. Yeah, Shem will show you how you make nigiri. Right?
Dogs like love.
Yes, definitely.